I'm super excited to be in the class today. Right, I'm super excited. Welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Please, for those who did not know or doesn't know, my name is Dr. Racing, and yeah, so I'm here to take you on a journey. So today we want to just we want to enjoy the market today. We'll be cutting the market. We'll be back testing what gold did this week. And now, see, I want you to have this understanding. I know a lot of us here, we from different knowledge background in forex trading. We have the SMC guys here. We have the people that trade trend lines here. We have the people that trade supply and demands here. We have the people that trade what's it called? Candlestick algorithm here. We have fundamentalists in this class. We have people that all they do is quantitative analysis. We have sentiment analysts in this class. But in this class today, what I want to establish in this class today is the simplicity of forex trading. When I tell people that forex is simple, when I tell people that forex is simple, people say, "Oh, it's a lie because I put money, you lose the money, and a lot of experience up and down. This has caused a lot of people to believe that forex is complicated and it can't be learned. What I mean, it can't be learned. It's you can't actually get a hold of it. I'm telling you, it's a lie, right? Through the things I'll be doing in this class, right? Within 30 minutes, we're done. Trust me. But what I'm about to reveal to you in this class is, so now, Dr. Ray, talking about fundamental analysis, talking about technical analysis, talking about quantitative analysis, talking about sentiment analysis, which one is the best, right? I will tell you, no one is greater than the other. In fact, the way they actually work is they work in synergy with one another, right? If you understand more of fundamental, right, you should be able to find its implication in your technical analysis. So, for example, now there is, I don't know if you've been active on the Telegram group, or if you are not active, or if you are just joining us, you can actually scroll up and go and check things I said. So even though US oil was looking like a sell, was printing sell pattern, I was telling people, don't sell US oil, buy, right? In fact, for people that listen to what please, if you can hear me, drop one in the comment section. If you can hear me, drop one in the comment section. Someone said my voice is breaking. If you can hear me, drop one in the comment section, please. Okay, yeah. I think it's from your side. It's from your side, not from my side. It's from your side. So, okay, makes sense. So now, what is driving US oil to push up, right? What is driving US oil to push up is actually the war between Israel and Iran, right? You see, within that geographical location, there is, what's it called? This is where almost like over 40% of the world oil comes from, crude oil comes from. So when there's a seashore or once there's war around that area, what's going to happen? There's going to be, what's it called, an imbalance in demand and supply. So there's much demand for oil, but the supply, you're writing on my screen, there's much demand for oil, but the supply now is not getting diminished. The supply is getting reduced because of the war that is happening. Same thing about gold. People are wondering, why is gold selling, or why is he buying, or why is he looking confused, right? It's because of this same thing. There is a fundamental factor that is actually affecting the movement of these things. So each thing you have in the forex market, GBP USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, they are all powered by a fundamental factor. As a trader, you don't have the power over fundamental. What your strength is your technical analysis, right? So that is where most traders get it confused. So in our struggle to actually have the perfect strategy, we actually lose the focus. What is the main focus? The main focus is for you to get one system that works, stick to it, and be consistent with it. That's all. So today I won't be using what's it called, sophisticated strategies. I won't be using what I'll be just be using in today's class. Backtest is just 3 lines. Just 3 lines. So enjoy the class as we roll. So I'll be taking some questions. I'll finish this class early, so I will take questions. And so let's just backtest. Let's go back to Monday. Yeah, let's go back to Monday and let's see what happens. So this was Monday, right? So the way my strategy is, right, you don't need a lot of analysis, right? You know, the top-down analysis that we're told to you don't need all of those things. All you have to do is on gold, just go to 15 minutes time frame. Just go to 15 minutes time frame. So once you get to 15-minute time frame, I know a lot of people will be surprised now. Which kind of analysis is you not going to not analyzing from the higher time frame? Yeah, I'm about to show you now. So what you want to do next after getting to 15 minutes time frame is come into this area, click on settings, then toggle on your session break. When you toggle on your session break, click on OK. Right. So if you notice, some lines actually appear on my screen right now. I'm coming. So we have these lines appear on my screen right now, right? So now, what these lines are trying to say is this. You see, this day here, this one you have here is Friday. This one here is Friday. This one here is Thursday. This one here is Wednesday. This one here is Tuesday. And this one here is Monday. So now, if this is Friday, it simply means this new day is Monday, right? Please, if you are following, drop one in the comment section. If you are following me, drop one in the comment section. If you are following me, drop one in the comment section. For those people that are saying I'm too fast, right? Trust me, as I'm done with this class, I'm going to drop the recording on YouTube. You can go and watch it again, and you can backtest what I'm about to say, right? So you can backtest it, and you can, just follow. So now, you see, for you to actually trade with this strategy, you must understand each market session. A lot of traders don't understand this. Each market section. What do I understand by each market section? For example, now, if I want to ask you, what session does gold move best? Do you know what everybody will do? Everybody will start telling me London and New York section, London and New York section. But it's a lie. Gold moves best at Tokyo section, and because of the reaction of US dollar, then a little bit at New York section. But if you want to actually cash gold with your mind, on ground, not your mind outside of the roof, you want to make sure you are trading gold at Tokyo section. When you trade gold at Tokyo section, trust me, there's no this strange spike. So now, for me to actually get my sessions right, I have an indicator I use. Just come to this indicator here and just type session on charts. Session on charts. You see this session on charts by AU Rocks, right? This session on chart by AU Rocks. Click on it. Once you click on it, these colors are going to appear on your screen, right? So after this color appear on your screen, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to this side of your screen here. Once you get to this side of your screen here, come to these settings of this. Come to settings. Tog off London section. Let's leave New York and Tokyo section. Okay. So you see this color, this yellow color is Tokyo section. This red color is New York section. Is somebody hearing me? So this one is Tokyo section. This one is New York section. Tokyo section, New York section. So please, I want you to pay attention to what I'm showing you now. I want you to look at this chart with your eye. Notice that the best moves happen around when? Around Tokyo section. Go and notice this. This yellow line. Tokyo section. Notice Tokyo section. Notice this. Tokyo section. You can backtest this as long as you want. Sometimes we have, what's it called? We have a New York section. But most of the time, you see the best move on gold. Tokyo section. Can you see? Tokyo section. Tokyo section. Can you see? So now, is this Tokyo section we want to be capitalizing on? So as a gold trader, you are trading gold. There's nothing you are doing on your bed around 1 o'clock Nigerian time. You have no business on your bed. You should be on your chart because that's when Tokyo section opens. And I'm about to show you now. So all I need is just 3 lines on my screen to trade gold. So the first line is this. I'm going to mark the highest point price got to yesterday, which was this day, which was last week Friday. This was the highest point it got to. This was the highest point. Then the lowest point price got to. This was the lowest point price got to. Right? This was the lowest point price got to. Then the closing price. The closing price is this point here. This is the closing price. This point here. Right? So 3 lines. Highest point, lowest point, then the closing price for the day. Right? So after marking this, let's trade now. Let's trade now. So now you see, this is how this thing works. If around Tokyo section, if I see price break below this line aggressively with an LD candlestick, break below this line with an LD candlestick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell. If price breaks below, then break above, I'm going to buy. If price come below this point here, give a weak rejection. Candlesticks is very important here, right? Candlesticks is very important. Reject on this line and show me a bullish movement, I'm going to buy. If candlestick break below, I'm going to sell at Tokyo section. Listen, if price comes to this line here and give a weak rejection on this line, I'm going to be buying. If price breaks below, I'm going to be selling. This thing I've just shown you look too good to be true. Abi now? So let's go. Let's see what will happen. So Tokyo section. So this Tokyo section, guys. This is Tokyo section. So let's wait. So now look at this candlestick here. This candlestick is still showing me the presence of sellers because of this weak rejection. I need a candlestick that close LD, a candlestick that is fat, that close LD, right? That close LD. So let's check the next one. If the next one is a bullish candlestick, then I'm going to be buying. If it's not a bullish candlestick, then let's see. Aha, yoa. That is the candlestick. That is the candlestick right there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to sell immediately at the close of this candlestick. We'll be selling. Stop loss will be above this point here. Target is just 1 to 2. Don't stress yourself. Just 1 to 2 risks to reward. Just 1 to 2 risks to reward. Let's see what the result is like. That's it, guys. It's not more than that. That's it. If you miss this entry here, this one here, you can catch this one here. Remember, once price breaks it below, stop loss above here, you can catch this one here. That is one. Let's go to the next day. As you see, by around maybe 4, 5, you are done with Tokyo section. You've made your money. Then you're done. You're done with it. So let's see. Let's see. Look at these. Price keep tanking. Let's see. So this is the next day. You repeat exactly the same thing. Mark the highest point here. After marking the highest point, mark the lowest point, which is this point here. Mark the lowest point. Then mark the close. The close, which is here. This is the close. Yeah, now this is the close. After marking the close, then let's move. So this is Tokyo section now. So let's wait. We are waiting. So let's wait here. Okay. Now, please look at what we have here. Now we see a weak rejection to this side here. Then we see a mighty weak rejection to the upside. This is telling us that buyers are in this. Please look at this. Now, let me say this. There is no strategy in Forex that is 100%. Note this. See, as a person, me sending you signal, should I tell you the truth? I don't even know that this market is going to buy. I don't even know that it's going to sell. But based on the historical price data I have, based on my experience on chart, when I see this is the action I take. And when I take that action, I expect this result. If it doesn't happen, I don't force it. Beautiful. So now, based on this candlestick pattern I have here, right? This year, I'm going to be buying. My stop loss will be below this point a little bit. This is where my stop loss is going to be, below this point, because whatever that makes price breaks these two lines again to the downside, in fact, up to this point here, right? This market is going to sell, right? So my TP will be 1 to 2 risks to reward as usual. Don't fight it. Just 1 to 2 is good. Just 1 to 2 is enough. So let's see what price we do. Okay. Oh, price gave us 1 to 1. Then price start reversing. So let's see. It's likely this price drop. I'm seeing price drop more. Yeah, I'm seeing this. So we took loss. So most of the time, right? Now, for those who have been following me, you understand how I trade. With this 1 to 1 risk to reward here, you know that we will never take loss. What will we do? We break even. I mean now, So no room for loss. Let me tell you this quote. If price go your way, 30 pips, 20 pips, 50 pips, and price come back to take out your stop loss, trust me, something is wrong with your trading strategy, right? For no reason should you be caught on fresh. Once price go my way, that's what we did on US oil today. Remember that the buy I called, then immediately I asked us to break even. What happened? Price come to take out our break even. Then I was seeing price showing us a sign to buy again. I entered again. Then when I saw that candlestick again, I said leave. So you don't want to be caught on fresh. So let's move. So this is the loss. You are done. Now let's say, for example, let's say you are risking. Imagine this. What the actual F? Let's see if price take our TP. Guys, look at this. My life. Guys, look at this. What? But it's all right. It's all right. We move. Let's go to the next day. Let's go to the next day. So this day I'm done. Actually. So most of the time when you see something like this, most of the time you see that price will be ranging. You won't get a clear direction. This is where people actually people blow their accounts. When gold is giving no direction, right? If you are trading market structure will fail you. If you are trading trend line will fail you. Let me show you an example. For those who have their trend line this way, here, right? So most of them will believe that first touch, second touch, third touch, price should drop, price pull up a bit, then they expect that okay, price wants to pull up, then price start pulling down, then okay, the what's it called? This is a break and retest. A break and retest. So they start buying again. The price come to take their stop loss again. They be like, Forex is a scam. No, it's not. You're the one that is jumping from one strategy to the other, right? So let's wait. So now same thing we did here. The highest point price got to, the lowest point price got to, then the close of price. So now let's wait for this day. Let's see what price will do to us this day. So let's wait for Tokyo section. This sell looks sumptuous. So I'll be selling from here. My stop loss will be above this guy a little bit. Then I'll target 1 to 2 again. 1 to 2 again. 1 to 2. Yeah. Target 1 to 2. Let's see what price will do for us again. Oh no. Okay. Price didn't take us out though. Wow. Okay. Price took us out. Again, price took us out again. Okay. So which simply means we're in a ranging day. So we had 1 win this week, 2 losses. See, now this is where many of you will tend to change your strategy. No, do the same thing. Don't change it. The same thing is the same thing that made you money. That's the same thing that is going to cost you losses. The same thing that cost you losses is the same thing that is going to cost you and give you wins. So now, how did I end up this week with over $25,000 is what I'm about to show you right now. I had losses. Trust me. The only signal I was sending to the group is actually US oil. I traded gold too. How was I able? Not that I made losses, but this is the understanding. Look at this. So after this day, okay, just a normal day. So all the money I made here, I lost it here. So this is Wednesday. So let's go to Thursday now. Let's go to Thursday. We don't have much time. So the highest point, then the lowest point, then the lowest point. So this is the closing price. This year is the closing price that we have. So let's see what gold we do. So let's forward. Let's forward this. Okay. It looks buying, but no. We're not buying. No. Okay. Coming to our point of interest. It must break that line. That line. It must break calm. Okay, this is our entry. You see this candlestick here? This LD candlestick here is our entry. This one here. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is our entry here. Aha. You see this guy here? Aha. This guy here. This is our entry. LD candlestick. I repeat again. LD candlestick. That LD candlestick is very, very important. It is very, very important. LD candlestick. This is our entry right here. So we're going to have this entry here. We're going to have this entry here. Right? Then our stop loss will be above this line a bit. Our stop loss will be above this line a bit. Right? Then we target 1 to 2 risks to reward. 1 to 2 risks to reward. This 1 to 4, 1 to 2 will be here. 1 to 2 risks to reward. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, someone said 25K. Ah. Guys, you're going to do numbers. When I was telling you in the group that your account will soon look like demo, you think I was joking? Okay. They play. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. See, no negotiation. It's as simple as that. Drop is coming down. So we've caught this one. Let's go to the next day. We don't have much time. Let's go to the next day. We don't have much time because I want to drop this recording on YouTube so that you can also have access to it. Then, you know, for those who would love to revisit it, or should I sell this video? No, I'm not selling. I'll drop it for free. Let people make money. So I have an important news to tell us by the end of this class. I'm coming. So let's mark this point as the high. Let's mark this point as the low. Then let's mark this point as the close. This is the close. This is the close. So what are we going to do here again? We're going to be waiting. We are going to be waiting. Let's wait for price to come to our line. Okay, price is now at our line, but no entry yet. No entry yet. No entry yet. Okay, price is coming. Oh, entry now. Engulfing candlestick to the downside. Entry now. These are the LD candlesticks. Please notice my targets. My targets are LD candlesticks. Stop loss above this line. See, don't stress it. I've backtested this for 2 years. It has been working. So 1 to 2 risks to reward. 1 to 2 risks to reward. Then this. Then let's move. Guys. Okay. Then price came for our SL. Yeah. So, but we almost had it here. We almost had it here. So price came for our SL here. So this it will drop unless you're a careless trader. And who do I mean by a careless trader? A trader who allow winning trade to turn to loss, right? So look at this. Let me show you something. We had 5 trades this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you are trading with Dr. Reswingo in my group, all this trade here, notice before they actually comes for stop loss, they actually went my way. There's a reason why I'm always buying. There's a reason why I'm always buying. See, what I'm sharing with you now is, let's say, is the overall knowledge, but there's still more deep knowledge that you need to have. There's a reason why when I call a buy, I'm not just calling a buy because I'm seeing, what's it called? I'm seeing let's say a candlestick. No. I'm calling a buy because there's something that I'm actually seeing. So price we buy, see, price sold, right? Now, at this point here, let's say we didn't close these guys at break even. Let's say we took them as loss. So, and let's say we are risking $1,000. Yeah, we made 2,000. Yeah, we lose 1,000. Yeah, we lose 1,000. Right? This is how much. This is the loss is 1 plus 1. That's 2,000. Then plus this. Let's count this one as loss too. So plus this one, that's how much. That is 3,000. Right? Yeah, I lost. What's it called? Yeah, I won 2,000. Yeah, I won 2,000. That's 4,000. 4,000 minus 3,000. That is extra $1,000 in profit. This is the person who we call a profitable trader. A profitable trader is not a trader that is having profit every time. A profitable trader is a trader that after checking in a long time, you see, growth is not measured in It's not measured in what you do within minutes. It's not measured in what you do in days. It's not even measured in what you do in months. It's measured in time. In time. So there was a trade we called on US oil, right? At first, when we took that trade, I had the loss personally. I had the loss of $2,000, right? But at the end of the day, if you're in the group, you will know I closed with 10,000, right? Because I understand that when I'm having a loss, I understand when to cut. I understand when to tell you, don't stop this trade. I understand when to tell you, hold this trade. This is going to give us this number, right? So that is that for that, everyone. So before I give room, I'll be answering just 2 questions from everyone. Yeah, just 2 questions. Before that, let me announce this now, right? Very soon, I'm organizing a boot camp. Trust me, guys, it's going to be wild. This boot camp, it's going to be crazy. When I mean crazy is we're going to trade. We are going to trade. When I mean trade, no demo account. If you are planning to come with demo account, I beg, no show, because I won't collect tithes. I want to collect tithes. So the boot camp, I'm going to make it very cheap, right? I'm going to make it very, very cheap. So it's going to be within the range of $60, $65, just like with the votes we had in group. $65. No, let's make it $65. Yeah, to be $65, right? But you must come with a live account. That $65 is for your own commitment, right? So come with a live account. If you don't have a live account, please come with a good proprietary firm. Because in that boot camp, is that you make it or you make it. You don't have a choice. So that is that for that. If you have a question, if you have any question, you can raise your hand or drop. Okay, somebody just dropped one in the group. Someone said, what is the psychology behind this strategy? This is the psychology. This is the psychology, right? You see, we are human, or what's it called? When we talk about price, what actually moves price is not really more fundamental. It's not really more of technicals. What actually moves price is more fundamental. And now look at this. You see, when we talk about this more fundamental, we are talking about human ideology about where price is going, from where price is coming from. So let's take for example now, whatever that makes price. Let's say yesterday they took price to 1,000. That was the highest point they took price. The lowest point they took price is 70, right? Human psychology states that the moment they break that 1,000, trust me, you don't have limitation. You don't have limitation to where they are taking price to. So you want to join that trend. Just like the way none of us here, for those that are in Nigeria, none of us here believe that fuel we actually get to 500 naira. But now, you can ask yourself where fuel is now, right? Fuel is above that. And if I tell you now that it is possible for fuel to get to 5,000 naira, you say it's a lie until it happens. So that's the psychology. But trust me, there's still much more details to this, right? Much more details to this. I'm gonna give that up. Yeah, we'll do it in bootcamp. And trust me, we'll be having back tests like this every weekend. So all you just have to do is sit back and just enjoy. So another question is, please revisit those horizontal lines that you drew. How do you identify where to draw them? How to identify horizontal lines. So you have to come to, I believe it's the session break, right? Come to your settings here. Then after coming to your settings, click on events. Then after clicking on events, toggle on your session break. If I toggle it off, it will disappear. If I toggle it on, it will appear. These are my session break. For the indicator that I'm using, come here. Just come to your indicator here. Type session on charts. Toggle this on. So you see it here. Right? When you see it here, come to settings. Yeah, come to settings. Why is my settings not coming up? I think maybe service then. So so that's it. Okay, someone said this line. I believe this line, right? Come here. You see horizontal array. Yeah, this horizontal array here. So what I do is mark the highest point price got to for yesterday. This was the highest point price got to yesterday. I marked it out with that horizontal line. Mark the lowest point price got to, then mark the closing of price. So let's see. Is this strategy based on all time frame? No. For this is a day trading strategy, and it's work on other every pair, every instrument. All you have to do is understand their session, right? On that session of a thing is another class on its own. I won't go there this night. So yeah, so it works on 15 minutes alone. 15 minutes alone. Someone is asking about the bootcamp. The bootcamp is not on it's actually online because we'll be trading midnight. That 1 a.m. guys, we'll be waking up 1 a.m. Everybody, you wake up, everybody's 9VG, everybody, 1 a.m. Someone is asking when is it starting? It's online, actually it's online. When is it starting? So I want to be locked in with you. Okay, so it's actually starting when I reach, I'm targeting just 100 people. Just 100 people. Currently now, as I'm talking to you right now, I should not lie. I'm here to announce 7 people are paid. I'm here to announce, like, I'm here to tell you the curriculum, to even pick a date. I miss your voice. I'm here to even pick a date. 7 people are subscribed already. So by the time we get to 100, right? By the time we get to 100, I'm starting full force. What I'll just be sharing with you guys is what's it called? For those that didn't join us, I'll be sharing results and every other thing. So this bootcamp is something that will happen from time to time. No, the last bootcamp I did was around 2023. For those that joined, if you joined that 2023 bootcamp, drop 1 in the comment section. 2023 bootcamp, it was fire. There was someone that actually relocated his family from Kenya to United States because of that bootcamp. So it's fire. So I have no one. Oh, someone dropped 1. I'm seeing 1. These are my people. It was fire. So you should know what you are in for. Yeah. Please, let's make it $50. I'm even thinking of increasing it to $100. Can you explain why gold is tanking? Because I'm expecting it to buy. It's selling amidst the war between Iran and Israel. Now, see, this sell is a trap. This sell is a trap. Buys will start. I'm expecting buy to start by next. Someone said I'm expecting buys to start by next. That'll be next month, right? Next month. Yes, buy to start by next month. So so someone said bootcamp duration, it will be 30 days. 30 days, 30 strong days of trading. So you don't want to come with a demo account, please. I'm begging you. If you don't come with demo accounts, please. So how many pairs do you trade? I only trade just 4 pairs, right? Gold, US oil, GBP USD, then USD JPY. So I'm not going to do $50. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do $50. I'm going to be doing $65. It's a sacrifice. If you believe it's worth it, it's a sacrifice you must be able to commit yourself to. So yeah, for payments, for those that wants to register, I'm going to update you guys on the group. So let's stay tuned. I love you all. I love everybody in this group. Remember that Forex is an high risk investment, right? You need to actually understand what you're doing before you actually say you want to invest anything in the Forex market. Just like because I say you should actually fund your account, that doesn't mean you should go and borrow money. Please don't borrow money. Don't sell your properties, whatever you have. Even if it is $100 you have, fund it. Fund it. That $100 will look like a demo account soon. I'm telling you. So for those who wants to join, don't fund any broker yet, because I want all of us to be in the same broker. If you are buying proprietary firm, don't buy any proprietary firm yet. I want all of us to have the same proprietary firm. So that is how it's going to be like. So thank you very much, everyone. Let's have a wonderful night. Bye, everyone.